Guys, if you are facing problem on your payout info, which is you put as a business type instead of individual, and this tutorial is for you. So I'm gonna help you how to report a problem to the meta support so that your business type info change to individual. So including guys, if you are change location, for example, you are from Bangladesh, then you change to UK, so you can report as well, and the same scenario you can report. So how to do that? Just go to your profile, guys. In your profile, click the three dot at the right side in front of you. So first is you need to copy your profile link. Okay, copy your profile link. So because later you need that link so that you include on your report. Then after that, you go back to your profile. From your profile, just go to creator support. Guys, go here in creator support. And in creator support, go to monetization, click the monetization, and then click to payout settings. You are on your payout account info, guys. Your country and business type, you cannot change that one. So in order to change, you need to report to the meta support. So they are the one to change your payout info on country, area, and business type. For example, mistake, you input the business instead of individual. Okay, so from here you need to date. But here guys, it's not working. You need your authentication from your email or from your code from notification or password in order to it works. Just input your details. So if you input already guys, click on it. So now you are already here. So they have the authentication in order to access your contact payout support. Otherwise, you cannot not enter your authentication from your Facebook with code. You cannot access on that. So the authentication, Facebook will send you code and you need to enter on the system so that you can access from your contact payout support. So guys, from here, enter your business info. Tell us about your business. This info will use to set up your profile and report your tax. When info can't be updated here and you need to make change, contact the payout support. So you cannot change by alone. You need to contact the contact payout support in order to set. Business type is like this. So what you need to do guys is contact the payout support. Click on it. This is only example guys, because for mine there is no problem. So for the other only, this is the guide, and please watch until the end. Okay, so from here you have the option guys, and what you need to do is, how do I upload or update my payout tax information, or how I update my payout account or financial information. Guys, click on how do I update my payout account financial information. Click on this, and then from here guys, screenshot the problem of your profile, which is you by mistake you input the business type instead of individual, or maybe your location. For example, your location is Bangladesh, then you move to UK, so screenshot on that, and then attach choose file. So choose file, it means you include, so for example only, and then from here you just paste your profile link. So paste from here your profile link. Okay, and then a letter, which is I made a letter before. I copy paste only. Write a letter to meta support and paste. That's it. Dear meta team, I'm writing to request urgent correction to my payout business information. Mistakenly I entered business information instead of individual information. For my business account, I attach the photo or mistaken information. Gelson Dagos Bindibel. So guys, I will put also this info so that you can copy and just change your name. Okay? So already the details here and including my profile link. And after that, click the send. So after you send this one, guys, you will receive the notification from your notification, and check also in your support inbox. You will receive the message from Meta Support. So after that, or here also you can include your email. So for example, you include your email like the future, or if they change this one, Facebook Meta Support will email you. So all the details is there, and click on send. And after that, you will receive the notification, and you can check also your support inbox if you got the message. So guys, I hope this tutorial will help you to change your payout info or location info. So if you understand my tutorial, please don't forget to like and share, and please follow for more tutorial content. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.